Today we visited Mulathankari Comprehensive, and we're here to set up a Miyawaki forest, and we're planting 5,000 trees.
Hapa ni kama tuko na an average of about 50 different species. So why is it important to plant trees? Wind, yes?
Give us fresh air.
Source of medicine, yes.
Miti Alliance has partnered with I&M Foundation in establishing 7 Miyawakis in different schools. Through this partnership, we've been able to establish 4 Miyawakis where we've planted more than 20,000 trees.
Leo tumefanya tree planting. Nimeweza kujifunza kupanda miti mingi kwa space kidogo inaitwa Miyawaki. In total tumepanda miti 5,000 in a bare rad.